It's pouring, dude.
All right, so on this ride, we get trapped out in the rain a little bit. This is my daily ride, guys. So every day, pretty much, I ride my bike, or I ride it as much as possible. And in this particular one, I miscalculated the rain that was coming in and kind of got stuck in it. There was nothing life-threatening about it or anything like that, but just come along for the ride here, enjoy it with me, and let's go get stuck in the rain together. All right, folks, here we are. Another ride here, this time in the rain. But, yeah, shoot, I don't know, let's go for a ride.
A few moments later.
Sweet, we've got some cover here. Started raining a little bit, not too wet, but just like, let me check the weather, and if this is gonna pass by in about 10 or 20 minutes, then I'll just do that, just kind of hang out for a minute. So dude, it's kind of wet, and I am not sure if I want to. I got three options. One, just get wet by the rain and ride in the wet. Another option is that I wait this out. So I think what I actually need to do is check the weather. If this is passing, then I'm just gonna hang out, and if this is gonna just sit on us for a while, I might just turn around and just try again tomorrow or later tonight. So let's check the weather. Oh, rain forecasted moderate light. It tapers off in an hour. 10 minutes from now is the peak. All right, so you can see we've only got 1.83 miles so far. Maybe I'll just do some photography and get 10 minutes to pass by. Yeah, so we're shooting GoPro flat profile, 1080p, 30 frames a second, 60 bit rate on this camera. GoPro Hero 9. It's raining. Kind of just trying to kill 10-20 minutes because it looks like it lightens up, so I might as well just let this heavy part pass. So let's check this place out while it's raining, and then we'll skedaddle. Yeah, there's some kind of altar type setup in here, so I'm guessing people get married here every once in a while. Yeah, here, check this out. This is a pretty good view. So dude, I don't have a great solution for wet in the woods yet. Like, I can do cold, I can do hot, but I haven't figured out wet. So here's the current situation. I'm only 2 miles into my ride, but still I'm 2 miles from my house and it's pouring. So I think for today, I'm gonna wait for this heaviest part to pass and then just go home, because it's gonna continue to rain and the woods are just gonna be kind of a sloppy mess. And I mean, I could go out in that, but I think tomorrow's gonna be good. So I think I'm just gonna wait for this heavy stuff to pass and then head back. But check this out in the meantime, look at this. Thankfully, I've got this chapel or something. I don't know what you would call this. Outdoor chapel. And it's covered. So, and it's wide too. It's probably about 20 feet wide. I'm kind of just posted up right now. It looks like it's getting brighter though. So, and the heaviest part was supposed to be like the moment that just passed. There was like a peak in the little rain thing. But this is what we have. Try again tomorrow. But this is cool. I'm kind of forced to just hang out here for another couple minutes until this kind of decides to let up, but pretty fun. All right, sweet. So I'm geared up. I'm getting ready to go. So if I wait a little bit longer, the rain really starts to taper off and bottom out, and then that way I'll just have to deal with whatever's already kind of on the ground and a little bit less falling from the sky. But it's raining pretty hard. Check this out. Here we go. So very sogging wet. It's gonna be a wet one. But I think I'm just going clear across to try to get back into the woods. Trying not to spit too much water on me and trying to stay as dry as possible, but might not be a thing today. I mean, it's still pretty. It's not too rider friendly. But whatever. Oh yeah, the wet brakes. And this is the ride. So here we go. Clean the lens. Hopefully the lens is clear, or clear enough. And we're just heading home. It's raining. Got caught in it this time, but at least, lucky for me, I was near a place that had some cover, because it kind of poured for like a good half hour. Yeah, it's definitely wet. This is never really puddled in here. Trying to stay as dry as I can, but I think it's only a matter of time on a day like this where you're just soaked. It's pouring, dude. Well, sometimes it rains. Just miscalculated this one, wanted to force a ride, and here comes the real heavy stuff again. I don't think that's wind. Normally I bomb this. Nice wet brakes. We got it though. The sand is kind of good because you can look on wet sand pretty easily. Probably the only time sand's good. Oh, it's raining, boys and girls. It is raining. Like actual rain, to where there's no option other than getting soaked. Ooh, come on. So, this is a first for this. I've never been in this kind of a downpour. It's gonna be a soaker. We're doing it. Once you get wet, it's like you're kind of like, once you get wet, you're like, all right, well, f it, I'm wet. It's getting soaked that sucks. Start a new clip, clear the lens, and we're on the other side of the road. I basically don't have brakes because they're wet, so they don't work very well. So I'm just basically pedaling home. I mean, I'm soaked through on my pants. I don't know, I don't feel it through my shirt yet, but I have 3 layers on because I was getting chilly under the gazebo thing. I've never been on the ride this wet before, so that's kind of a cool first. Like, I've gotten rained on, but I was always able to manage the rain. This is like I'm soaked. The sky got lighter, and it continues to look like it's getting lighter, but the rain is not letting up much. It is a wet one, boys and girls. My bike's like not even shifting anymore. But like I said, it feels like it's getting lighter, but just the rain is not letting up. Sustained rain. This is slick on a good day. Climbing out of the woods, the lens is nice and wet. Just trying to get back now. Well, today was an interesting one. Hopefully you guys can see through the lens. I think I'm going this way because I think this is more direct. I just get as wet as I get because I'm almost home anyway. So might as well open it up. Oh, I can feel it through with my pants already. My ass is soaked. We're just going big. I can feel it soaking through. Nice. Oh yeah, that's very comfortable. Just go for it now. I'm just like I said, once you get wet, it's just kind of too late. All right, so there you go. The lens seems to be a little foggy, but we're back on a wet New Jersey bike ride there. All right, so like I said, we got stuck out in the rain. There was no safety issue or anything, but you know, it's just fun to get on the bike, try to go for a bike ride, and then realize, damn, it's gonna be raining for hours. And it literally did rain for hours. I did get the next day, I was able to shoot some, and I got some video recorded the following day, so maybe I'll edit that up next to see what that looks like. But thanks for coming along for the ride, guys. Again, this is just a reminder, just get out there, do something that makes you feel good today, and that's the whole point of me sharing these bike videos with you, is hopefully I can take you away from whatever it is that you're dealing with on this particular day and just export you to another place for a little while. So I hope that was enjoyable. Please like, share, subscribe if that's something that you would like to do. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this time. See you again soon.